Hello, hello, hello. I just wanted to pop in and say hi and see how you're doing, give you some more words of encouragement. I just wanted you to know that you are not alone, and wherever you are in your organizing adventure is right where you're supposed to be. So often we beat ourselves up with guilt and shame, and I should have done this and I could have done that, and I'm not smart enough to do this, and maybe I should do this. I just want to throw all that out the window and just say right where you are is right where you're supposed to be. If there's anything that's bothering you, anything that I can help you with, please know that I'm here. I am 100% in support of you on your journey where you are, and I'm here to help you reach your goals, not here to help you beat yourself up about one more thing that you should be doing. Let's throw out the shoulds, throw out the I have tos. What do you want to do? What do you want to do to bring in the life that you want to be living? What do you want to do to bring in and create the home that you want to be living in? That's what this is about. It's not about how you should do anything or your home should look a certain way. How do you want it to feel? How do you want it to look? How do you want to wake up and feel when you get up in the morning and look around your room and walk into your closet and then walk into your kitchen? How do you want to feel? What do you want it to look like? And what is something you can do today, ASAP, to start moving toward that vision? That's all this is about. I have tips and tools and habits and thoughts that we can work on, but what it's really about is you just getting up and doing something to move toward the life that you want to be living. Making your home the comfortable, happy, healthy, supportive place that I know in my heart that it can be. Even if you can't even imagine getting there, I know you can. That's why I'm here. I'm here to cheer you on, to support you. If you need to schedule a call with me, do it. Just don't even think about it. Just do it. If you need to get into the course and go back to the beginning or go to a lesson that you skipped or you haven't even started, that's okay. Just begin where you are right now and know that I'm here supporting you. Okay? That's it. Have a wonderful day. Know in your heart that someone is here, I'm here, thinking of you and sending love and support.